channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I have a Valentine's Day dessert video for you. I had a few ideas and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to see what I ended up making, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps out our channel. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. Now let's jump right into the video. To begin the Valentine's Day treats, I'm going to start making sahm yummy from Fetty Valentine's Day cupcakes, and I'm just following the instructions on the box. The cupcake liners that I'm using in this video, I got them from Walmart and they're just silver.
I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely.
Next, we're going to change the shape of the cupcakes, and here I'm just ripping some aluminum and rolling it into a ball so I can put it at the top of the cupcakes to create a heart shape.
And didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because
now that the cupcakes are all cooled off, we're going to take some frosting and you're going to form it into a heart. If you want, you can use a cake decorator. I just wanted to do this. And then once that's done, you want to apply the sprinkles.
Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
Next, I'm going to make some heart-shaped brownies. I kept mine very simple, but if you want, you can add frosting with sprinkles, or you could add melted chocolate with sprinkles if you want to dress it up.
Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes.
Now this is a very easy treat, and it's the cinnamon rolls, and we're just taking them and making them into the shape of a heart and then decorating it with the frosting that it came with and adding sprinkles.
Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up.
And I ended up storing the sprinkles that I ended up getting from Stop and Shop. So we microwaved the strawberry icing. We're just gonna mix it. So the icing for this, I really wasn't a fan of. It was strawberry flavored. I typically like the cream cheese one. I mean, it still tasted good, but I just wasn't a fan. I don't think I would buy it again.
Lost whenever down, you know what to do.
Alright guys, so we're going to attempt to make some sugar cookies. On the back of the M&M's bag that I used to fill up these jars, it had a recipe in the back. So I'm going to attempt to make it, and hopefully it turns out exactly how I like it. I love when my sugar cookies are chewy inside. I know that some people usually like them when they're a little bit more crunchier, but we're going to see what happens. So hopefully this recipe will be a success. So if you want to stop the video and take a screenshot of the recipe, there it was, and these are all of the ingredients that I would be using for this recipe. First, we're starting off with some butter, and then we're adding some sugar, and then we're adding some flour, a little bit of baking soda, some salt, and then we mix. And I really like the consistency of it. The cookies did come out good. The only thing is, I think I added a little bit too much salt, so I just have to be careful, but otherwise they were really good. I like the size and the thickness of it. And here I'm just using some cookie stamps that I ended up getting from Michael's last year. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And if you guys have any video recommendations, make sure to leave me a comment down below. And until next time, guys.